तो आज हम सीखेंगे नीट के कुछ रिपीटेड क्वेश्चंस। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पेस्ट इज नॉट करेक्टली मैच्ड? फर्स्ट, डेंगू फीवर, एर्बोवायरस, प्लेग, यर्सीनिया पेस्टिस, सिम्फिलिस, ट्राइक्यूरिस ट्राइक्यूरा, स्लीपिंग, ट्राइपेनासोमा सिकनेस गैम्बिनिसो। तो करेक्ट आंसर है सिम्फिलिस, ट्राइक्यूरिस ट्राइक्यूरा। नेक्स्ट, एंटीजेंस आर प्रेजेंट। एंटीजेंस कहाँ होते हैं? इनसाइड द न्यूक्लियस, सेकंड ऑन द सेल सरफेस, थर्ड इनसाइड द साइटोप्लाज्म और ऑन न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन। तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑन सेल सरफेस। Which of the glands is often referred in relation with AIDS? Thyroid, adrenal, thymus, pancreas. Thymus. AIDS spreads through immoral way of life, infected needles and syringes, homosexuality, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Yersinia coxis, plague, whooping cough, leprosy, syphilis. Correct answer is plague. Rickettsiosis are viruses, bacteria, intermediate forms between viruses and bacterial cells, bacteria and plant cell. The correct answer is bacteria. Street virus affects kidney, CNS, lungs, eyes. Correct answer is CNS. Antigens are present. Antigens कहाँ होते हैं? Inside nucleus, on the cell surface, inside cytoplasm, on nuclear membrane. Correct answer is on the cell surface. Immunoglobulins are antigen, antibodies, antiseptics, antibiotics. Correct answer is antibodies. The interferons are antiviral proteins, antibiotic proteins, antigen proteins, all of the above. Correct answer is antiviral proteins. The infective stage of Entamoeba histolytica: binucleate form, tetranucleate form, minota form, sporazoite stage. Correct answer is tetranucleate form. If you keep the sanitary system around yourself sound, then the disease which will not most probably break out is cholera, malaria, beriberi, scurvy. Correct answer is cholera. Which pair of disease is viral? Cholera and TB, AIDS and syphilis, mumps and rabies, tetanus and typhoid. Correct answer is mumps and rabies. The main reason why antibodies could not solve all the problems of bacteria mediated disease is. Correct answer is development of mutant strains resistance to antibodies. Colostrum, the first milk secretion of mammary glands, is rich in immunoglobulin IgE, IgM, IgA, IgG. The correct answer is IgA. In alcoholics, liver gets damaged as it secretes more bile, stores excess of glycogen, accumulates excess of fats. All of these. The correct answer is accumulates excess of fats. Tuberculosis is caused by Mycobacterium, Vibrio, Clostridium, Nitrobacter. The correct answer is Mycobacterium. Which of the following is not a waterborne disease? Asthma, cholera, amoebiasis, all of these. Correct answer is asthma. Narcotic drug morphine is used as anti-cancerous, hallucinogen, anesthetic drug, analgesic. Correct answer is analgesic. Which of the following has been declared a killer disease under Factory Act? Asbestosis, leprosy, tuberculosis, siliogesis. Correct answer is asbestosis. Which of the following pair of disease is caused by virus? Typhoid and tetanus, AIDS and syphilis, rabies and mumps, cholera and tuberculosis. Correct answer is rabies and mumps. Irrational fear of disease is called myphobia, pathobia, alcophobia, hemotophobia. The correct answer is pathophobia. When body cannot differentiate between its own and foreign matter, it is passive immunity, active immunity, autoimmunity, immunodeficiency. Correct answer is autoimmunity. Discovery of AIDS virus is related to Alexander Fleming, W. Cannon, L. Motaga Jr., Stanley Cohen. Correct answer is N. Monta Jr.